All right. Well, that was lower standard. Let's go do the Hell's Kitchen Challenge. All right. Because I believe overpass here has been groomed. Definitely want to stay away from that brown, because that kind of does suck. Oh, that was a slide for life. But we got on better stuff now. So I know the camera's getting hit because my goggles are getting hit. So my wingman is getting a good hookup. It's just, it's hard. There's snow that's hard. And you gotta look way out in front so you find your adventure. All right? This is softer down here. So stop by Ski House, get tuned, get fitted, and then come on up and get you some Strat. This is where the pond stem was.